Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to fix TradingView alerts not working or delayed on Android. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Next, check that your alerts are active in the TradingView app. Tap the Alerts tab bell icon and ensure your alert isn't paused, expired, or missing. If it is, set it up again. Verify notification permissions for TradingView on your Android device. Go to Settings, Apps, TradingView, Notifications, and make sure notifications are allowed. Check for any available app updates, open the Google Play Store, search for TradingView, and tap Update if it's available. Keep the app updated to ensure bug fixes and better alert performance. Clear cache and data for the app. Go to Settings, Apps, TradingView, Storage, tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets background sessions and can fix delayed notifications. If alerts are still not working, restart your phone. Hold the power button, turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This refreshes background services that handle notifications. Make sure Battery Saver, Do Not Disturb, or Focus Mode are turned off, as these can block alerts. Finally, try logging out and back into the app to refresh your session and test alerts on popular symbols to see if they work. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.